Hello, welcome to the 11th grade Naviance lesson on career research. First, you will take a post-high school survey that asks you questions about your plans after high school. Then you'll complete an assessment that tries to identify your natural strengths and tries to suggest careers you would be good at. Lastly, you will add one or more of these suggested careers to your favorites list. All of this information is saved in your Naviance account, so you can review it later, and your counselor can use that information to help you with post-high school planning. At this point, go ahead and log in to Naviance. The link is in the lower right-hand corner of the main EWHS website. Ask a classmate where the link is if you can't find it. Instructions for how to log on are on the screen. If it doesn't seem to be working, counselors are available right now in the Counseling Center to help you with login difficulty. Once you're logged in, it should take you to a home screen that looks like this. In the middle of the screen is the What's New section, and you should see a few tasks that your counselor has assigned you. Please click on the link for the 11th grade High School and Beyond survey. The first activity today is the post-high school planning survey that asks you questions about your plans after high school. It's okay if you're unsure of the answers to these questions at this point. No one will hold you accountable for your responses. But please take it seriously because your answers to the survey gives the Counseling Center the ability to help you understand your options after high school and to notify you when something is happening at our school that is related to your current post-high school plans. The first few questions in the survey are required, and the rest of the survey questions should be filled out if they apply to you. Now it's time to take the Strengths Explorer assessment. Click on the Home tab on the upper left part of the screen and go to the What's New section again and click on the next task called Strengths Explorer. This is actually a pretty cool survey that is research-based. It will take you 20 to 30 minutes to complete, but we promise that it's easy to fill out. It's actually normed to an 8th grade level, so it's meant to be filled out by someone who doesn't know what they want to do for a career and doesn't know much about the various career options out there in the world. This assessment is meant to find your natural strengths and match them with careers that seem to require workers with those same strengths. Look at the quick tips on the PowerPoint here. It's 78 questions, which is a lot of questions, but if you're taking this activity seriously, you'll know the answer to each question pretty quickly. Because this activity is only something you can do once and you can't ever redo, please take this seriously and try to be honest with yourself. Okay, go ahead and get started and come back to the PowerPoint here when you're done with the Strengths Explorer. Now that you're done, you should see a screen that looks like this. And again, this information is saved in your Naviance account, so you can come back anytime to take a look. For now, read what your top 3 themes are. This is what it says you're naturally good at. Now, click on the See Related Career Pathways link. Pick one that you like and click Add this pathway to your list. Then, one more last step, click on the pathway and click on the Related Careers tab, and then add one of those careers to your I'm interested in list. That's it for your required activities today. If you want to spend time now or later on to explore more about careers, you can come back here and click on the name of the career, and you can see lots of information about the job, including the summary of the job, knowledge and skills needed for the job, normal tasks of the job, and how much you could expect to make in terms of money if you had that job. Thanks for doing this today, and we'll see you again soon for more post-high school planning activities.